Unit 8, Lesson 6. Read the before you read vocabulary words, then listen while you follow along to the article.
Your traffic ticket. So, you have received a traffic ticket. What do you do now? In our county, there are very clear procedures to follow. Read both sides of your ticket carefully. It will tell you what violation you are charged with, how you can respond, whether you have to go to court, and what your rights are. The steps you must follow and the penalties you may receive depend on whether your case is a civil or criminal traffic case. Civil traffic cases include violations such as driving without wearing a seatbelt, failure to use a child restraint, or speeding. The penalty for a civil traffic violation is usually a fine and/or required attendance at driving school. You may not have to go to court if you agree that you are guilty and send payment for your fine. If you do not think you are guilty, you may request a trial. You can't be sentenced to jail for civil violations. However, in addition to a fine, you may get points against your license. If you get several points within a certain period of time, your insurance rates will increase. Criminal traffic cases are more serious than civil cases. DUI, driving while under the influence of alcohol, and driving while your license is suspended are examples of criminal traffic violations. These cases require a court hearing. Although most sentences involve payment of a fine and points against your license, jail or prison time is also possible. In a criminal case, you have the right to request a jury trial. Failure to appear in court is a serious crime. If your ticket says that you have to appear in court and you don't appear, you are in trouble. Whether your case is a civil case or a criminal case, a bench warrant could be issued for your arrest. This means that if a police officer stops you and checks your records, you can be arrested and taken to jail. Bench warrants can also be issued for failure to pay fines. So, if you receive a traffic ticket, don't try to avoid dealing with it.
Okay, listen again if you need and answer the following questions.